Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your horse that you can't see? At the center of your horse's health and performance, deep inside the gut, lies the mysterious and dynamic microbiome crucial to its well-being. Home to billions of microorganisms working together in a delicate balance, breaking down feed and forages and extracting essential nutrients to help fuel your horse's most critical functions. But it's not just about nutrient digestion. It's about resilience when your horse faces challenges. Factors like training, travel, or stress from demanding performance schedules can knock the microbiome out of balance and knock your horse off their game. Understanding what constitutes a healthy balance in a horse's microbiome remained a mystery until now. Welcome to the Purina Microbiome Quotient Platform, built on over a decade of research at the Purina Animal Nutrition Center. Through thousands of samples collected from horses in all 50 states, with bacterial DNA sequenced and analyzed, creating our incredibly robust equine microbiome database. Now, we can see inside the equine microbiome and help unlock the mystery by showing how our research can impact your horse's overall health. As part of the Purina MQ platform, we have created an at-home test kit for horse owners that gets to the center of your own horse's unique microbiome, with personalized nutrition recommendations to help bring the microbiome into balance. To help optimize health and performance, the Purina MQ platform is helping to solve the mystery of the microbiome and finding revolutionary new ways to support it. Discover the power of the Purina Microbiome Quotient Platform at mq.purinamills.com.